Hi East Bears, Dr. Dennison here. I have 3 really important announcements I want to make sure you know. First of all, you all need to take the Pathways survey that's posted in Google Classroom. You will choose a pathway to match your future career, and next year when you return to East High School, your schedule will reflect your preferred pathway. So you will pick your top 3 just in case there isn't any more room in one pathway. You'll get your second choice, and maybe you'll have to go down to your third choice. But so think carefully about which pathways you want to choose. And with the pathway, there are jobs listed to help explain or remind you of what those pathways are. Okay, that's your future. All right, this week and next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I am only available by appointment. I'm not having a set Zoom hour or office hours next week. So this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. And to set up an appointment, you need to email me or call or text me at my Google Voice number. And we can set up a time to talk or chat or however works best for you, okay? I just want to make sure I'm available to answer any of your questions that you have about our work. And work is our last announcement. All assignments are due next Wednesday, May 20th. Yeah. So those of you who have already finished all the world history assignments, bravo, good job. Make sure that you get into our Google Classrooms. Make sure you've done all your assignments and you've earned as many points as you possibly can. I really appreciate everyone who's reached out and said hello, checked in, and completed some work. The hardest part of this whole time has been me not seeing you every day, us not seeing each other every day. So I really hope that you all are well, and let me know how you're doing. And I'll do one more video next week as a farewell. All right, have a good day.